Hi, everybody. I'm Benjamin Whitcomb. Be sure to follow all these social media, subscribe at YouTube. You don't want to miss a thing. Welcome to Minute to Win It. Let's talk about perfect fifths on the cello. We have a lot of these, and they have to be exactly in tune, and they're not easy to get exactly in tune. So when I'm playing open strings are in tune. Now I want all my fingered perfect fifths to sound that in tune. And that sounds like it might be an easy proposition, except for the fact that each of the fingers is a little bit different in how much this first joint gives. So on third finger, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I have to, third finger feels different in order to be as in tune, because it doesn't bend quite as much. So there'll be times that you think, okay, I need to do this to get it in tune. Sometimes you just need to rock it and be a little bit more on the D or a little bit more on the G, whatever strings you're on, in order to get that fifth in tune. But it's worth taking the time to make sure that all four fingers can get exactly in tune perfect fifths.